Baking a good cake demands the availability of all the necessary ingredients, as well as the knowledge of how to correctly mix them. Only then can you turn a mix of dough, sugar, baking powder, and eggs into an edible, round-shaped, sweet thing called a cake. We at VisaCake.com believe that the process of immigration is quite the same. So we work to provide you with all the necessary ingredients required for a good application, as well as the knowledge of how to put them together with our digital tools and our regulated Canadian immigration consultants. Many people wish to move to Canada, but when they start their applications, they face a lot of technical and procedural complexities, and then they decide to hire an expensive immigration consultant or a lawyer. A lot of people give up on their wish to immigrate just because of these difficulties, but we at VisaCake are here to help you realize your dream of moving to Canada, minus all the hassle and unwanted expenses. When registered on the all-in-one VisaCake platform, you will have access to the application form, a specific checklist for you and your family to ensure the availability of all the important documents, and a simplified guide for your chosen immigration plan. The platform also provides you with an up-to-date overview of the complete workflow of your application process, as well as secure document management. If you are unsure about your eligibility to immigrate, you can always avail our initial consultation service with a regulated Canadian immigration consultant of ours. Similarly, we also offer specific consultations as per your requirements. With such ease in our process now, you shouldn't have to overthink or worry about the otherwise arduous immigration process anymore. You can call us today to help you pick the type of cake you wish to bake.